Let's be honest, there are plenty of days out there where you just cannot be bothered to cook, you haven't gone grocery shopping, you hardly have any food in the house, and you really don't have a lot of time on your hands. Luckily, pasta can save the day in these lazy situations. So today I've got 3 recipes for you that are using really simple ingredients that you should already have in your house if you watched my last video. Wow guys, that was a lot quicker than I expected. So hopefully this gives you a little insight into just how easy these recipes are to make. I've got everything in written form linked below for you, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.